Are you working hard but still wondering where all your money goes? You're not alone. Most people are unbroke because they don't earn enough. They rebroke because of what they do with the money they earn. In today's video, I'll show you 7 money habits that might be keeping you poor. More importantly, how to break them. Let's get started. This is like driving blindfolded. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. Apps like YNAB or Mint can help make it painless. First up, you don't have a budget. Use a simple method like the 50-30-20ths rule. That's 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Ever gone to the store for just one thing and come back with 5 bags? That's impulse spending. It adds up fast. You're not just spending, you're spending with interest. Implement the 24-hour rule. Want to buy something? Wait 24 hours? If you still want it after a day, it's more likely a need than a want. Using credit cards to live beyond your means? That's a debt trap in disguise. But by then, you've already missed out on the biggest money-making force, compound interest. Use credit only for things you can already afford. Pay off the balance in full every month, and build up to 3 to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. And if you're already in debt, focus on the avalanche or snowball method to get out. Your car breaks down, you get sick, without an emergency fund, you'll fall back on credit or loans, and that's costly. A lot of people say, I'll invest when I make more money. Start small, stay consistent, and your future self will thank you. Start small. Even $50 a month into a low-cost index fund can grow significantly over time. The earlier you start, the less you have to invest later. Life happens. Aim for at least $1,000 to start. New phone, new car, flashy vacations. Looks great on Instagram, but it's often built on debt. Live below your means now, so you can live well later. Remember, the goal is financial freedom, not flexing for people who don't pay your bills. You might think you know where your money goes, till you actually track it. Review your bank statements monthly. Categorize your spending. You'll be surprised how much goes to subscriptions, eating out, or small daily purchases. Money is a tool, and with the right habits, you can use it to build the life you want. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which habit are you breaking today.